Josie.
I can't vote because I'm not objective.
That's it? I'm gonna go with yours.
Look at that.
Stand by me.
Those ends are supposed to be closed.
All right, can you give us a run through of what your design of the boat creation here?
Well, we ran out of tape,
Yeah.
so
Typical staff.
we thought pyramid would be good because you think of the Egyptian pyramids, they've been there for a while. There used to be water, now it's a desert, but they're still there. So,
What's the name of the boat?
this is Betty the boat.
Betty the boat. Very nice.
She's a beaut.
Very nice.
Slow.
All right, let's see. Let's get a 360 of the boat.
Hey, check out that flag.
Oh wait, what about the flag?
All right. Outstanding.
Yeah! I was not the engineer behind that one.
10, 10, 10.
All right, yellow team. Can we have yellow team up, please?